Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through adding multiple devices to Microsoft Authenticator so you can approve sign-ins from more than one phone. First, install the Microsoft Authenticator app on the second device from the App Store or Play Store. Now, open a browser and sign in to your Microsoft account. Go to your account security settings and open the section called Advanced Security Options. Under Security Info, click Add a new sign-in method and choose Authenticator app. Follow the steps and select Setup. A QR code will appear on the screen. Open Microsoft Authenticator on your new device, tap Add Account, choose Work or Personal Account, and scan the QR code. Complete the verification if prompted. Once done, keep the original device connected as well. Both devices will now receive approval requests and codes. This setup gives you backup access and extra convenience if one device is unavailable. Subscribe the channel for more videos.